Yo, if you are serious about making money online and you haven't joined LiveGood yet, you definitely need to take the 5-minute LiveGood tour. And you can do that by clicking the first link in the description. Now let's get to the video. Now another strategy that you could use and a lot of people don't talk about, and that's offline marketing. All right, check this out. Now they got all kinds of marketing material for LiveGood if you're in different groups and everything. But I designed my own flyers. All right, I took some of the content from the website and I just went to Vistaprint. Now check this out. First of all, for anybody that is not a member of LiveGood and they decide to jump on my team, I will actually create one of these for you and put your own QR code. But check this out. If you want to do offline marketing, boom, I did this. Check this out. Bam! Look at that. That shit dope. Look, got the QR code right there, right? All somebody got to do when they scan that code, go right to my tour page. Now look at this, right? So even if you're an introvert person, you don't want to mess with YouTube, you don't want to mess with Facebook, none of that. All you got to do is drop these flyers off offline, right? And you can, first of all, find places where you can leave flyers, right? Find places, and then you want to make sure these places got people that actually can see the flyers. So even if you got any sort of connections with like local businesses, that have a spot where you can leave flyers or post flyers up on a billboard type thing. Is that what they call it? A damn billboard? Whatever. Another thing I suggest is laundromats. A lot of laundromats has a place in there where you can set stuff like local businesses has business cards and stuff. Guys, get some of these every weekend. Go out and set these places, right? If you an extrovert, you could actually go places and just hand these out. Look how damn good these look, straight up, right? So right there is another strategy that you can use, but only you can decide which strategy will work best for you, and whatever that is, do it. All right.